In which language was Brigadier Gininda communicating with you?
Manje ke ekhuluma nawe uBrigadier Gininda wayekhuluma luphi ulimi?
Wayezama isiZulu akwazi ukusikhuluma.
He tried to speak isiZulu but he's not fluent in isiZulu. He cannot speak isiZulu.
Brigadier Gininda testified in this court, testified that he's in fact Zulu. Zulu speaking.
Ubufakazi abethulileke noma abethula phambi kwale nkantolo uBrigadier Gininda wayitshela inkantolo le ukuthi yena ungumZulu.
Ekatolo kimi akafike esikhuluma isiZulu.
Yes, in court, but to me he never spoke isiZulu.
Why do you say so?
Kungani usho kanjalo?
La efika kimi Primrose akaze ekhuluma isiZulu khomba ukuthi umuntu okhuluma isiZulu. Mina nje ngikhuluma isiZulu esiphelele.
When he got to me in Primrose, he never spoke in isiZulu. I speak proper Zulu.
In which language did he communicate with you?
Manje ke wayekhuluma nawe ngaluphi ulimi?
Wayesizama isiZulu.
He tried his best. He did his best in speaking isiZulu.
Are you saying that the person who's Zulu speaking, Gininda, is a Zulu surname? Are you saying that he could not speak isiZulu?
uGininda isibongo sesiZulu manje ke okushoyo wena ukuthi wayengakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu.
Asikho ngakithi.
There's no such surname.
My Lord, there is no evidence that has been led towards the surname of Gininda being categorized in terms of the race, my Lord. There is no such evidence.
What is the evidence, Ms. Sholo?
I mean, evidence, my
Yes, what is the evidence?
Lord, regarding the allocation. There is no evidence
About what?
about the allocation of the race.
About the nationality of Gininda.
Yes.
He's a South African to start with.
Sorry, my Lord.
Is he a South African to start with?
That also was not led.
Now I'm just asking, was he born in South Africa?
That also was not led in
Where
this.
he attended school in South Africa?
Also, that evidence has not
I
been.
remember him saying he was born in South Africa, Johannesburg, specifically that he attended school in Mofolo. Do you recall that evidence?
Yes, my Lord.
You recall it?
Yes.
Just, maybe you must praise yourself about the
But
evidence.
the issue is not about the school and the other things. The issue is about.
No, you can see Mr. Baloyi is trying to establish how they communicated. Maybe they spoke Chinese.
Yes.
Some
yes.
Zulus speak Chinese. I don't know.
But my objection is only in respect of the category, nationality of the surname, my Lord. Only. As the surname
Mr.
belonging to Zulu.
You say that's the name.
We don't
doesn't
have
belong
Zulu,
to
we
Zulus.
don't have Gininda in Zulus.
There's no Gininda in Zulus.
We don't have Gininda. Gininda is not a Zulu surname.
My Lord, we're really not going to
Are you going to pursue that?
debate that aspect. The fact of the matter is,
Yeah.
Brigadier Gininda testified that he attended school in Soweto.
Yeah.
That's,
How old is Gininda, by the way? I mean, he's a brigadier, I know.
yes.
And he said he worked all his life in Gauteng, if I recall.
Is it in the court now? I see Mr. Sylvia Flesh.
No, we're still busy with Ms. Msholo. But what the point is, Mr. Govin says he doesn't say he couldn't communicate with Gininda. He says Gininda tried to communicate with him. But he doesn't tell us how he tried. Maybe he should tell us how he tried. Uzamile ukukhuluma isiZulu. Maybe ungasitshela ukuthi uzame kanjani. And then we can go for lunch. What time is it?
Almost 5 to.
7 minutes to. Mr. Zungu, when you say that he tried to communicate to you in isiZulu, can you just explain what do you mean?
Uma ungachaza kule nkulumo oyishoyo ukuthi wazama ukukhuluma isiZulu ukuthi usho ukuthini ngalokho.
Okhomba ukuthi amagama amanye isiZulu akawabeki mbaba.
Which is an indication or which indicates that some of the words in isiZulu he would not put them as is or not put them clearly.
Such as which words?
Amagama afana
Kanje ngokuthi nje mayebuza ukuthi mangimtshela ukuthi umuzi umfowethu. Mase umfowenu kanjani? Mase ngimtshela uzala umamkhulu. Mase ethi shuthi ubhuti wakho, umntaka mama lo yasa.
asingayenzi bende baba. Awuphindi iqale phansi. Uthini?
kanjengokuthi mayibuza ukuthi umuzi uthi umfowenu kanjani.
And then when I say to him, Muzi is my brother, he would then ask you, how is he your brother, Yebo?
Mase ngimtshela ukuthi umntaka mama, masithi yini umntaka mama, lo mntaka sazi isiZulu.
I would then say to him that he's my mother's child. He would then ask, what is your mother's child? That person doesn't know isiZulu.
But what's wrong with it? Is accused number one your mother's child?
Manje ke yini
Are you
engasiyona?
siblings?
Umuzi umntaka mama wakho.
Yebo,
Yes,
umfowethu.
he's my brother. Yes.
Are you siblings?
Umntana kini, wakini.
Cha, uzala umama bayelamana, umntaka mama.
No, our mothers are sisters. He's my mother's child.
Yes, but what's wrong if just on your evidence, if someone asks you if he is your brother?
Manje ke uma
Just to clarify that.
uma sifuna nje ukuthi sikuchazeke yinike inkinga ngalokho uma umuntu ekubuza efuna ukuthi umchazele yini inkinga ngalokho.
Ngicabanga ukuthi inkinga ayikho ukuthi ngiqonda ukuchazela ukuthi isiZulu akasibeki siqonde.
There is no problem, but what I'm trying to say to you is that he doesn't speak isiZulu like in properly.
As a good please, will this be an appropriate time?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, just for my observation as a bystander. I've heard here the evidence, and I'm not decrying anybody, but I've listened to evidence here. A person say, "Umntana kamalume," or "umalume," and when the further question is, "Umalume kanjani?" Hayi, uzalwa la ngiphuma khona nomama wami. You remember that? Yeah, just as a matter of interest, Mr. Mshololo. Do you know a bit about the history of South Africa? There's a family, an English-speaking family.
Yes, ma'am.
They came here in the 1700s, just after Charlotte took over the Zulu kingship. This white guy's English. He renounced his birth as an Englishman and became a Zulu. And he fought, assisting the Zulus to fight the British. And Shaka rewarded him with a chieftainship, a white family. You have never heard of that story, sir? Our country history, you don't know that history.
But it's not a Zulu.
The point is, he's got an English surname, I think it's Denham, an
Yes.
English surname, but for all intents and purposes, he's Zulu. Uyagapa, uyashaba. If you want to marry in his family, you keep a lobola. He's Zulu for all intents and
But
purposes.
no, we won't accept him as Zulu. He was assisting, but he's not a Zulu person. Umzulu, church.
Ah, Nix. I was just telling you it's interesting that history. If an Lesotho, that's why Lesotho today, it was a protectorate. Moshweshwe went to England and spoke to Queen Victoria when the Afrikaners and some of the British wanted to annex and colonize Lesotho. And he requested them to declare Lesotho as a protectorate. Even Sir Khama's grandfather did the same thing in Botswana. So that's how it came about that Lesotho, Botswana, even Swaziland, they're not part of South Africa. That's the history. Okay, let's go on.